Namaste. Hope everybody is eagerly, anxiously waiting for Quantum Leap program. Silent merging. As this experiential program goes, you will understand why I am calling it as silent merging. At the end or after the program you have experienced, experientially you have something in your vessel, you will know it. To start, this is thoroughly, truly an experiential exercise, exploration we are attempting. Very attentively, just participate. I will guide you. In each step, I will guide you. Just follow that. There is no ifs and buts. There is no strict rules. Don't feel that you are not able to complete some portion. And don't be proud also that you have been able to complete it. It is only a flow. When the tides are coming in the ocean, when the waves are coming, they do not claim that I am higher than you, I am faster than you, I am powerful than you, or whatever it is. So let us not worry about I am able to read, I am not able to listen, I am not able to understand. Let us also not worry about is there a meaning in this? Is it a meaningless exercise? We will keep all these things aside. When a child starts speaking, it has no meaning. But just because a child is speaking something meaningless, are we rejecting the child? Why not me become, you become, all of us become child for some time? Because we have grown, we have aged, we have too much aged, we have too much grown, but yet to mature, yet to take that quantum leap, that which we were lacking. We felt that we have not touched the other shore, we have not touched the other side, we have not touched the divinity, or we are always having a longing that divinity has not touched us. We will experience today. If you are not experiencing, do not be concerned. Again you attempt another day, you will see. When we started writing A, B, C, D, A, E, in our own mother tongue, we were not knowing how to hold the pencil. We were not knowing how to hold the chalk piece. Our total fist was in the fist of our mother. Mother was holding us. And in fact, she was writing, we were not writing. But she was giving us all the acclaims, all the greetings, all the accolades that we have written. In the same way, the divinity will give us all the accolades. The divinity will accept each one of us with an hugging, both hands, hugging, irrespective of the fact, what status, what position, what level we are matured or we are immatured. The divinity is not at all concerned about our maturity, our aging, our distance we have reached Him, because the distance is not at all maintained by the divinity. If the divinity wanted to touch us, it takes fraction of the second, which is measured as Dhruti, fraction of the Dhruti. With this understanding, we will start moving into quantum leap, silent merging. In this program, The divinity is inviting us. Because the divinity is inviting us, at the end of the program, it will be difficult for us to come out of the program from the divinity, because the divinity will be holding us. We say we are surrendering, we are surrendering, we are surrendering to you, but in reality we do not surrender because we are holding too much of bulk consignments of luggage. We are holding too much of part and parcels of property, possessions, claims, money, accounts, bank balances, debts. He has to give me so much, she has to give me so much. I have there, my possession is here, my property is there. Too much we are holding. Because we are holding, we have no time, we have no mood to surrender or to hold the hands of the divine. Today, through this program, through this experiential exposition, exploration, the divinity is going to hold your hand. Be ready for that. At the end, it could happen to you as it had happened to me earlier several times, as it has happened to us several times, and it continues to happen. This program is in 7 parts. This program will be of around 20 minutes maximum or 25 minutes. Each part is not divided into equal part. One may be in minutes, one may be in seconds. One may go up to 5 minutes, one may be completing in 60 seconds. So for each part, I will guide you. I hope all of you have prepared yourself to set aside around 1 hour to 2 hours for this program. Please keep the door closed. Let your room be silent. If somebody is with you, please do not speak to them. You concentrate on yourself. Assume that you are alone. Let the room in which you are sitting, let it be in dark, or let a 0 candle bulb only be there. No more sound comes inside, nobody disturbs you. Take a very comfortable seat, maybe on a chair, maybe nearer to your cot, maybe on the floor, on a meditative asana, Sukhasana, Siddhasana, Siddhayoniasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, or Utkatasana. What I am sitting on the chair now is Utkatasana. Whichever way you want to sit, you sit. Today in this program, there will be no concluding session. The concluding session will be decided by you, by individuals. As a result, do not expect there will be concluding session with Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha 3 times. That will not be there. During the process, wherever I say close your eyes, once you close your eyes, even if I tell you to open your eyes, please do not open. If you open the eyes, you have lost the entire essence of this program. Irrespective of whatever may happen or may not happen, please keep closing your eyes the moment I say close your eyes. You will have to forget your own self, your name, your fame, your presence or your absence. You are not going to be yourself today. That is the way we are going to lead ourselves. During the program, if you are not able to sit in the same posture, no issues, change your posture. At the end of this program, where you enter into dhyana, at that time also you can change your posture. The first 20 minutes I will guide you after which you will be merging into silence, which is called as quantum leap, silent merging. You will merge with the divinity, or the divinity will hug and take you. Where you go, wherever you go, we do not know, you do not know. You will continue to make journey. You will continue to move in silence. Just if you are aware, enjoy. If you are not aware, you will be aware once you come back here. With this understanding, let us start. The program has 7 parts. In the first part, I will be speaking something meaningful or something meaningless. Don't question me why I am speaking meaningless. Most of the time, most of us speak meaningless, or most of us understand meaningless. This being the part of the life, at least today I will have the ability to speak meaningless. I am making an attempt to speak meaningless. The second part again may be meaningless for most of you, but I will be trying to speak little fast. It will be difficult for the members to catch what I am speaking because I myself did not know what I spoke. This will go on for about 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. The third part, during the program, I will be guiding you. In the fourth part, there are 21 lines, 21 sentences. Just read them. You can take up to 2 minutes and complete the reading of 21 lines. Whether it makes sense or it doesn't make sense, don't go into all those research. Just read. In the fifth part, there is a letter written to someone which has 4 pages, which you can complete it in 5 minutes. Just keep reading. Again, it will make sense. For some people, it won't make sense, but still read. In the sixth part, we are trying to understand how we are organized or how we are not organized. We have depicted through certain incidents. Just go through and understand. If you understand, it is good. If you don't understand, it is very good. The seventh part will lead you to meditation. The seventh part is a mystic wheel. You are going to concentrate only on the center of the wheel. The lights may be throwing outside, but your concentration, without blinking the eyes, just throw your total focus and concentration on the center of the wheel, where the light is there. Whether the light is red or white, it is to be understood by you. But concentrate on the center core. It is a core where things will open up. So this is a mystical wheel, but do not blink your eyes under any circumstances. Keep till the end of the wheel disappears from you. You will have to keep your eyes completely, no blinking. Madavadalangit, Madodmanad, Madanaganidovanadi, Mangadadinamid, Manini, Madinadi, Danadodna, Devanatodna, Danadnit, Makadanamit, Madnamanit, Malivinat, Nataganat, Mataganat, Natamadi, Madiavanagi, the Genidavanadit, Madaganat, Dodo, Bodod, Madivelado, Velada, Velatut, Madavelado, Dogalevertut, Madavan, Nagarevertut, Madavan, did Madavertut, Nadena, Aladani, Mana, Kavalapit, Maduman in Madani, Gayadan and the Madale, Davanagana, Gana, Tala, Domayarus, Malivelakis, Madam, Radamanis, Madavan, Madavalakras, Madanavis, Madivan, Ravanavid, Nadi, the Navid, the Gavan, Need, the God, Lavi, that the Madat, Namare, God, Madivan, and the Duvale, Madamanagan, Madamanagas, the Madamana, the Mushmadamana, the Vishmadamana, Need, Idavalang, Madavara, Madamanida, Mago, Made, Marigal, Madavara, Madamaman, Nid Marala, the Magala, the man Nid Mara, the Velagan Marana, the Love, Madiva, Lumala, Lakmadi, Madam, Madavan, and Nigan, Madamana, Madam, Madamani, Madovali, Madiveladi, Akiva, Tuma, Nanaman, Namatona, the Veladumana, Madavan, Divinado, Vanadana, the Venis, Agi, Vanadumanan, Mananamani, Madamana, Divinagamastit, Rativado, Vago, Mudo, Madavalali, Divanidu, Madaganadu, Vidu, Madnit, Madivanatum, Madamananim, Mugaman, and Madamayan, Madimelagana, Natumanit, Madivelada. Maradim Madokmadogan at Maradumanamis Madani and Dimadivan and Nimanavaram Mado Madaveram Mogo Mudo Morovan at the Vanagame Madovanagan Madovan as Jip Magova Jip Madovan as Jip Madagan as Madim Madagan at Divadadu Madag Madu Madagaramarit Madavan at Ninigidivan at Madavagan at Mado Madnit Madivan and Nit and Tamaraganit Madivan at Manaya Divada. Madavala Kimanat Divanadam, Madumara, Divi, Mawoganat Dim, Madom, Madim, Madam, Madum, Madavala, Madavanat Nid, Madavanat Nodagamanat, Navapakis, Davanat Nid, Madavarazi, and Madnabaragazin, Amagamanam Managa, Namanam Minat, Divanatagan, and Divanado, Vadu, Matala, the Rivatra. Madap, Madip, Madumanum, Managanim, Madomananim, Madam Magrum, Madovanam, Madavadagrim, Madiganat, Madatanadim, Manadivanadam, Manadam, Madavanagadin, Madivanandum, Madubat, Madavalira, Madovanam, Ramanigira, Madivanigira, Madomanira, Madivanadam, Magomamis, Magavanato, Manasaris, Madamanatis. Matan, Magamanat, Magab, Magamanad, Mativinadom, Mado, Mugat, and the Tamalakim, Managala, Timinadam, Mado, Mugamanatip, Mamanati, Ramarana, Nick, Mado, Madi, Villadimiri, Tom, Matam, and Atiminatic, Mado, Matam, and the Domanan, Madavarangiri, Tira, Divido, Mado, Morogavinam, Mativaladin, Mativarado, Mativarado, Matamagazin, Mativeratom, Matagavan, Matavaralak, Matavarak, Matavaradi, Matavanavik, Mativeranak, Mativaragum, Madovade, Madadovak. Makavaratim, Vandavalaka, Navasrava, Novavarista, Divata, Damanati, Adom, Anadim, Mugamati, Matam, Maram, Madamaratim, Mado, Madamaradin, Magavaratin, Mativarado, Marogani, Mandavaradam, Magaramaratim, Mativarad, Maradatim, Madat, Magavalatam, Matanavarada.
Modialadum Badalil, Yaviladum Modango, Dodium and Danadum Bindamanadum Badina, Vidanadin Badina, Vindalamada Dorini, Viram Badaro, Dorodum Badalindami, Mitaravodam Dali, Mitaravodam, Madam Vitadam, Madaritam, Vitamaram, Madam Dinadam, Bodavitam, Vitamaram, Vidanamadam, Bodam, Vidam, Vitamaram, Modam, Matam, Vitamaram, Vidana, Moda, Vitamada, Data, Vita, Vanda, Varsavanda, Kalavandam, Vitavakam, Kalodam, Dedavodam, Modavitam, Kanavitam, Kayana, Dandam, Mitakalam Bamba, Nativendam Badam Kaya, Vandam, Silavalam Banga, Vidavandam Danda, Dalavanda. Oriam Mandama, Vitabandanato, Vitalandam Dadam, Dadamandam Dirani, പ്രതിബന്ധം രുചിവെള്ളം കനവിത്തം മണവിത്തം കിണവിളവെള്ളം മനമെന്താനം ദാവം പോരം വാ ചിരതാവന്ത വർഷാവന്ത കാലവന്തം വിത്തരവർക്കം കാൽബോധാതം വേദാബോധം മൂകരവിത്തം കാനരവിത്തം കൈനവത്വതകം തന്തമാനമനംബം നിതകള്ളം ബമ്പ നീതിവെന്തം വരം പായാലോ വന്തരാവും ശിരവള്ളം ബങ്ക നിജവന്തം ദണ്ഡ ദലവന്താനിയോ ഓറിയം മന്ദമ്മ നിതകാബന്ധനാഥോ നിതവിലന്തം ദടം ദടനമന്തം ദിരകാനി ദിനവില്ലം ബന്ത സോദം ഞഞ്ഞ നിന്നം മന്നന്ന തനകം തിന്നന്ന തോടിൻ ഞഞ്ഞു തുടവല്ലല്ലോ തിരകണമന്ന നിന്ദന മനഗണമന്ദനമാനമ തിന്നം മനമനമിന്നം നിനമന്നന്നം ഗുണവിനമന്നം ആര്യമ്മ തിതവല്ലവാട്ടം പ്രതിബന്ധം രുചിവെള്ളം കനവിത്തം മണവിത്തം കിണവിളവെള്ളം മനമെന്താനം ദാവം പോരം വാ.
This is part 3. Read these words. You have 4 minutes to read. There are around 115 words. Try to read. You can read little loudly so that it is audible to yourself. When you read little loudly, it will make some sense. Read little loudly and complete around 150 words. This is the sixth part. Look at the traffic here. It shows an indication to us how the life can be organized, or how the life may be neglected so that it becomes disorganized. We can move forward, but how it happens, whether it is organized movement is okay, unorganized movement is okay. Let whatever your mind accepts, let it accept. Just throw your focus on this traffic and you will understand. Now concentrate on this center of the mystic wheel. Do not blink your eyes under any circumstances. It will go for 2 to 2.5 minutes. In the center of the mystical wheel, search the God. Slowly search the truth. Slowly search yourself. Slowly search anything. Don't search anywhere, but put your focus on the center. Slowly, 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 slowly. Continue your search in the center of the core of the mystical wheel. Find out if you are there, if you are able to see yourself, or you are losing yourself. If you are able to see the divinity, whether the divinity is seeing you, just search. Slowly, slowly close your eyes. Slowly close your eyes. From now on, do not open your eyes. Slowly merge all your thoughts. Throw it out. Slowly merge yourself with the divinity. Slowly you are forgetting your surroundings. Slowly you are very slowly you are floating. The universe as a wholesome is carried by you, and the universe is carrying you. You are carrying the colors are carrying you. The divinity is carrying you. You are carrying the divinity. You are merging with the divinity, and the divinity is merging within you. You are not two. You are becoming that supreme self. This Om is merging in you, and you are merging in the Om. You are no more you. The I has evaporated, you has evaporated, we has evaporated, and only one, the Atman, the Self, the Supreme Oneness alone is there. Just feel the merging of yourself. Now that feeling itself is going away from you, other than the special super consciousness. Nothing is experienced by you. Nothing is seen by you. No colors are seen by you. No images are seen by you. The Om is not visible. The Om sound is not audible to you. You are not able to see Mahavatar Babaji, Annai Nagalakshmi, because you yourself have become Mahavatar Babaji and Annai Nagalakshmi. Slowly, slowly, slowly continue your relaxation. So long you want to relax, continue. How long you want to relax, so long relax. Relax, relax, relax. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 शिवाय ॐ नमः 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 शिवाय शिवाय ॐ नमः 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 शिवाय